Akiro, life lesson. Why discipline matters more than motivation. In the heart of Maplewood Forest stood a giant ancient clock tower. The clock tower rang every morning exactly at sunrise. And every animal woke up when the bell rang. Everyone except Akiro. Akiro always woke up late. He missed classes, chores, and opportunities. Deep inside, Akiro wanted to change. But every morning felt like a battle. One evening, the old owl clock keeper spoke to him. "Discipline is choosing your future over your comfort." Those words stayed in Akiro's mind all night. The next morning, Akiro woke up before the bell. It was difficult. Very difficult. But he repeated it the next day. And the next. Slowly, a habit was born. Akiro started training every morning. At first, he trained for only 5 minutes. Then 10. Then 30. The changes were small, but they added up every day. Soon, Akiro became more focused in class. He became faster at work and happier with himself. The animals noticed something different. "Why are you changing so much?" asked the rabbits. Akiro smiled gently. "I just stopped waiting to feel motivated. I started being disciplined instead." Months later, a powerful storm struck Maplewood Forest. The clock tower stopped working. Without the bell, the village fell into chaos. But Akiro still woke up before sunrise. Because discipline had become part of him. Soon, other animals followed his example. Together, they repaired the giant clock tower. And one beautiful morning, the bell rang once again. But this time, the village had learned something greater than time. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline can change your entire life. How many times have you put off a dream just because you didn't feel like doing it today? We often chase motivation, waiting for that perfect spark to hit us. But the truth is, motivation is temporary. It fades when the weather is bad or when you are tired. What lasts is discipline. Like Akiro, you don't need a giant leap. Just start with 5 minutes. 5 minutes of reading, 5 minutes of exercising, or 5 minutes of planning your day. Stop waiting for the perfect mood. Build the habit. Because when life's unexpected storms hit, your motivation might fail you, but your discipline never will. What is one small disciplined habit you are going to start today? Let me know in the comments below.